All right, the strapper for speed braces sits right here. And when you go to strap your boxes, when you're repackaging them, when you do it the long way, strap comes out nice and tight. But when you go to do your other two straps this direction, they dig down in, but they end up being really loose on here and sliding around. And that's because down in here, there's this full piece of starboard sitting on top of the strapping machine, which makes it so it can't actually tension the strap properly because it's not set up to have the box be that far away from the sealing plate way down there that actually seals the strap together. So here's the after. What I did, I made a new front plate here, cut some steel, bent it down where it should be, and put some screw holes in, bolted it down. So now you got steel to steel plates there. And then I cut out the OSB to match the shape of the machine. So it's just like it was, except that it's silver instead of black. And I raised the machine up on some just pieces of starboard. So now when you go to strap, it all works exactly the same way, same ergonomics and everything, except that now straps are super tight, just like they should be. So there's that one. Hey, Fast Cab Lukas here. So the Kaizen foam strappers stopped getting tension, and so I found the problem, which is that this is the clutch here. You can see there's a hole here, and this screw right here is supposed to go through the hole, and then it screws into this right here. But this screw sheared off, so then the clutch was just loose and free spinning, which allowed this wire to get caught in the belt that comes off of this, under this, and over this. Grabbed the wire, sucked the wire down in there, spun it all up in there, and shredded the wire to pieces. So we're gonna fix that all up. All right, and got it all fixed up and put back together. Took some shims out of the clutch, made it tighter. So now if you turn the tension dial up to something like 8, that's some tension. That's what we were missing before. Then also organized the strapper fixing tools bag here. We got a little bag with all the tools to fix the strapper, and now all the wrenches are in their own bag in there. The Allen keys are in their own bag in there, so everything you pull out isn't just a loose jumbled mess. It's all divided out nicely, and you have every tool you need in a little packet right where you need it when the strapper has an issue. I take off the top plate and I clean all of the residue off of the heating element that seals the strap together in all the machines. And so for this one, there's an Allen key to take off the plate above the heater, and it wasn't here, so I added that in the foam. So now I have all the tools right here that I need for this strapper when I walk up to it.